So here is how we can take a screenshot on the iPhone with the double tap feature. So let me show you exactly how it works. And if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So this is a feature which naturally can be found inside of the settings. So make sure you get it there and find the accessibility right there. And inside of this accessibility, you can scroll through the available things, but find the touch, which is part of the physical and motor section. So go to the touch, and at the bottom you can find a back tap. And when you get inside, you have two things to pick between: the double tap as well as triple tap. And obviously it is a difference, but it refers to how many times you tap the back side of the phone to trigger different features. So if you want to double tap to take a screenshot, you can see for me, it is already set up. So you can get there and scroll through the available features until you find a screenshot. We are picking the thing which gets enabled when you double tap the backside. So by default, it might be set to none, but you need to find the screenshot right there. And that's how you can make that happen. Outside of that, one more thing about it is that we also have the show banner option, like toggle below, and if you have that enabled, every time you perform the double tap or triple tap, you get like a pop-up, like a notification from the top. And if you are taking a screenshot, a lot of times it stands in the way, so I personally like to keep it disabled. So when I double tap the backside of my phone like that, right, it would work better if I held it in my hand, right? So let me just show that to you, right? So you can see that it should work, and it does in fact capture the screenshot. However, with this show banner option, you can see that if I perform the very same thing, I also get like this notification at the top, right, which kind of like stands in the way. It's definitely not useful. So that's why I think it's a good idea to keep it turned off. So I hope that I was able to explain it and show you how it works. Hope the video was useful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.